What's going on, y'all? It's the Cool Teacher here to show you how to find a missing data point when they've given you the mean and all the other data points in your set. Probably like, what are you even talking about, bro? What I'm talking about is, well, let me just read the question. Find the missing cost of the sneakers if the mean of the data set is $135. As you can see, I kind of break this down into just 2 steps. So let's go ahead and get into it. Remember, when I'm finding the mean of a data set, I'm basically adding all the numbers up, getting that total, and then dividing by however many numbers I added. Well, they already gave us the mean, so I'm actually kind of working backwards. So instead of adding and then dividing, I'm going to be multiplying and then subtracting. Let me explain how I'm doing that. First step, in this problem, they give us the mean. They say it's 135, right? So what I'm going to do is take this 135 and I'm going to multiply it by the total number of data points that I have. In this case, I have 8 data points in this problem. You're probably like, wait, they only gave us 7. Well, remember, I have that little grayed out box at the end. That means that's a data point, but it's a data point that I don't know, so I have to include it. So let me go ahead and multiply this.
8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28, and 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10.
So I have a total of 1,080. Remember, I said I'm going to multiply and then I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take this 1,080 and I'm going to subtract it. But what am I going to subtract it from? Well, I have all of these data points and I'm going to subtract it from the total of all of these data points. So I kind of have to add all of these up.
2,000 years later.
All right, so I added it all together and almost ran out of space, but as you can see, it gives me 840. I'm gonna subtract 840 from that 1,080.
0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 4 is 4. Can't do 0 from 8, so I have to borrow. That's gonna go down to a 0. Giving 10 over to this, so 10 minus 8 is gonna be 2.
So my answer is going to be $240 for the missing pair of sneakers. There must have been some limited J's or something, because 240 is up there. But nonetheless, that's how you find the missing data point when they give you the mean and say, find the missing number. Only really 2 steps. This step right here, where you have to add all your data points, please add them up individually or kind of section it off. Do not try to add them all together, okay? Took me a little while, but I was able to get it. The most important thing is that when you add all of these, you get the right number. Because if you do all that adding and get the wrong number and then come over here and subtract it, you'd be like, oh yeah, this is an answer. And then it's not gonna be the answer. And then you're gonna be mad. Just take your time, do it right, and then you'll get the answer. If this helped you, send it to somebody else and help them. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Other than that, this is the Cool Teacher, and I'm out.